Hey everybody! We're going to talk about multiplication today. Don't worry about my division here. That's for my meeting I'm having next with the math class. But today we're going to talk about division. So in order to be able to do your crossword today, you need to remember how to multiply by multiple digits. So I'm going to do this video on multiplying using partial products. So let's do some examples and remind us how we do it. All right. So here's our first number. Let's say we're doing 342 times 26. Okay. Oh, that's nice and blurry. Let me focus me in here. There we go. Much better. 342 times 26. Okay, so those of you who are using partial products, we have a 3-digit by 2-digit. So we're going to make our box 3 by 2, 342, and then we break down 26. 300 times 20, 3 times 2 is 6, 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros. 40 times 20, 4 times 2 is 8, and then our 2 zeros. And 2 times 20 is 40. 300 times 6, 6 times 3 is 18, 2 zeros. 40 times 6, 4 times 6 is 24, add that 1 zero. And then 2 times 6 is 12. Then we're going to add all of our numbers together. I'm going to make special care that I do not misalign my place value. And I like to add just 2 at a time, so it prevents some silly mistakes. Okay? And I usually put a check in the box that I've already added. Then I'm going to do 800 and 240, because those have the same place value. And I got 1040. So then I'm going to put those two together to get 8,840. Then I'm just going to add these two together. And 40 plus 12 is 52. So I'm going to add 52 to the end. So my answer is 8,892. All right, let's do one more example to make sure that we have it. Let's say we're doing 743 times 64. It's again a 3 by 2 digits, so we're going to create our box to be 2 wide and 3 long. Decompose 743 to 740 and 3. And 64 decomposes to 60 and 4. Let's do our multiplying. 6 times 7 is 42. And 3 zeros. 40 times 60 is 2,400. There are 24 plus our 2 zeros. 60 times 3 is 18. And 1 zero. Then I've got times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 2 zeros. 4 times, 40 times 4 is 16. Add that 1 zero. And 3 times 4 is 12. Okay? All right, let's put it together. Let's start with our 42,000. And this only has 4 places, so I want to make sure I have that lined up correctly. And I'll add this 2,400 as well. Put it all together. 47,200. We've added those 3 together. So let's put our 180 and 160 together. 47,540. Last but not least, I have my 12. Add that to it. 47,552. Remember, you can always estimate these to see if your answer is reasonable. 743 is about 700, and 64 is about 60. 3 zeros and 42. 42,000 and 47,000 is pretty close. If I estimated this one up here, this is close to 300, and this is close to 30. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 zeros. 9,000 is my estimate. 8,892 is very close. So I know both of these answers are reasonable answers. Okay, so this is if you are using the partial products method, and you can use that for your crossword today.